In a virtual learning environment, assignments are one of the primary ways students are able to communicate their level of understanding of the unit concepts. I'm currently in the introduction section of my course set up in the Blackboard Learning Management System. I've already added various types of content, and now I want to add an assignment. Click on the Assessments tab, and I want to choose from the options available, Assignment. The help up here is pretty clear. Assignments are a form of assessment, and they automatically add a column to the grade center or the grade book. Okay, first thing, add a name. In this case, it's a test, so I'm just going to make it test assignment. I'm going to add a nice color for the name and select apply. Scroll down. And you see we have an HTML editor where we can add instructions. In this case, I just want to say see attachment for detailed instructions. Scroll down. And it asks me about the assignment files, the file that I want to attach that contains the detailed instructions. I can attach it from my computer or from the content that's saved in folders within the learning management system. I'm going to browse for content. And I want to select the syllabus. One item is selected. That brings me back to continue to add the properties for the assignment. Scroll down further to number 3, where it talks about grading. The points possible for this particular assignment is 25. And I want to add a rubric from one that I have available. Select the rubric. I have one available and it's prepared for discussion, but just for the purposes of explaining this process, I'm going to select it. Hit submit. And we're back to the grading section of the properties for the assignment. It says show rubrics to students, and right now it's selected no. I want to change that. Yes, I want them to see the rubric without the scores. That's something that I am a big proponent of, because if students see the rubric, they know from the very beginning what the standards are. There should be no surprises. No one is trying to confuse anybody or trip anyone up. This is exactly what the standards are, and this is what you will be judged by, and it's available for them to see at all times. We can continue down. And the next section is availability. When do we want to make the assignment available? I do want it to be available, definitely. I do want only to allow a single attempt, not multiple attempts. And I do want to limit availability. For the first date for it to be displayed, I'll just leave it today. 11:59 p.m. is fine. Until and approximately a month later. 11:59 p.m. is fine. I don't want to track number of views, so I'll just continue on down to the next option, which is due dates. And that would be that last date at 11:59 p.m. As far as recipients, I wanted to go to all students individually because this is not a group assignment. Scroll down and select Submit to save these properties. Okay, let's look for the assignment. I had already added several pieces of content. As you scroll down, you can see I have a unit overview section just to describe what is going to be going on in the unit. I go on to attach the syllabus, which was referenced in the unit overview page, links to a survey and to the discussion forum, and I've embedded a couple of videos for the students to view. I included a link to a discussion forum that's contained within the learning management system. And you see here is my assignment. Let's scroll back up. Notice here that the edit mode is on. I want to select that button. And now edit mode is off. And I'm looking at the page from the student's perspective. Click on the assignment. And this is what the student will see. The name of the assignment, the instructions, the due date, the possible points. They can also view the rubric. They can view the actual rubric and see the details of what's included in it. This one was for a discussion forum participation to evaluate that, but I'm just letting you know what it looks like and how the students can actually look and see in detail the expectations. You can exit out of that. Scroll down. When they actually get ready to submit the assignment, they can attach a file, which they can access from the files that are contained within the learning management system, or browse for a file from their computer. If they want to type their submission, they can use the HTML editor to type it and add it directly here, if that's allowed by the instructor. They can add additional comments, things that they feel that they need to tell the instructor at this time. And then they would hit submit or save as a draft if they're not quite done. I'm going to select cancel because I don't have anything to submit. And that's it.